Hey everybody, back here with my buddy Levi on a buddy's property. They're nice enough to invite us over here to scratch around and dig and see what we can find. And isn't this just a beautiful place? I mean, look at this shelter. It's probably, roughly 50 yards long, probably 15, 20 foot deep, 20 yards deep. There's a beautiful waterfall running right by it with a creek. We've been scratching around for about 15 minutes, and Levi here just found the first find. Go ahead and pull it. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? Just reworked like that. It's a little Adina Dixon type. Oh yeah. Not too shabby. Let's see what we can come up with here. Alright, it's probably been 10 minutes since Levi found that dark point over there. And I was digging here, I already uncovered it, we just kind of put it back where it was. I didn't know what it was at first, but it looks to be a shaft straightener. See the grooves in it on every side? I put grooves in it. And that's pretty neat, because I've never found one of these before. Pretty awesome. Alright, back again. It's probably been 30 or 40 minutes, and I was digging down here and saw this dark ashy stuff wasn't that deep right here. And I pulled out this bone on a flake, and it wasn't a couple minutes later, a couple shovels later, and this dude popped out. It was nice. It's all there. But not bad. We'll get back if we find anything else. I love finding this rough black material. Looks like it'd be so hard to work with. I wish we would have found more stuff, but that shelter's been dug by a lot of people and just potholed to death. It's a beautiful spot though, and this was a first for me. I don't know whether you'd call this a shaft straightener or a shaft abrader, or maybe both. It might be a multi-tool. I've noticed next to each one of these big grooves there's a small one. I don't know if that was for filing down the edges of points to finish working them or what. It's a pretty neat artifact though. Alright, until next time, happy hunting.